This is how you release a song on TikTok's music distribution platform SoundOn. So you create an account, you get your artist profile, there's me, C.H.A.Y, and then you go to music upload. So you choose between an EP or a single, and there's a single, which is what I'm doing. On the upload page, we'll add the song. Here's the song.
Flip the switch, power on.
Select it in the browser. Once you do that, you'll see the song title there and the upload time. Once your song is completely uploaded, you can select a portion of it to preview on TikTok by trimming it online or adding a file. But it has to be 15 to 60 seconds long or it won't be allowed. So once you do that, you click submit and then that uploads. Now we're gonna add track details starting with the title. For this one, it's called Flip the Switch, Power On. Select the title language, answer whether the song is an instrumental and if it has explicit lyrics. Choose the genre. This one's electronic. Select the lyric language. You can also add the lyrics. Now I'm gonna link my Spotify and Apple Music accounts. You copy part of your artist profile URLs to both Spotify and Apple Music and paste it right here. Once you do that, you click verify and then you're all set. If you don't have artist profiles, it'll create them for you. Click submit and then it's linked. You can also add other artists and contributors. If you wrote the lyrics and the song, you can check both of these boxes. You can also allow your music for commercial use. Answer whether your song is a cover song, and now you select your artwork. You can upload your own, but they also have an AI cover art generator. I'm uploading my own, but they have a few rules for cover art. Your artwork can't be too blurry or pixelated. Text on artwork must be your release title or artist name. Don't include URL, label source, social handle, etc. No unauthorized elements such as unauthorized logos and photos. Now you're ready to upload your cover art. Select the file in your browser and click open. And there it is. Once everything looks good, you click submit, but then I got a message saying to make sure this file is smaller than 10 megabytes, which it is. It's 8.2. So I'll just continue. Has this song previously been released with another distributor? If not, check no. Now you can set the release date. I set mine to November 4th, so it has some time to get to the platforms. You can even choose what time it releases. You can choose to pre-release the clip on TikTok and choose a release date for that. I've chosen the 26th, but it says it's too early, but I decided to go with it anyways. Choose whether you want it to release all at once or if you want it to go by time zone. I tried clicking next, but I guess my artwork was above 10 megabytes somehow, so I had to convert it to JPEG and now it's 5.9, but it seems like that works. Now click next to select the platforms. As you can see, there's a lot, but a few are missing, such as Snapchat and Beatport. To submit to Facebook and Instagram, you have to ensure you wrote all the track and have a PRO. After you selected all the platforms, hit submit and you can review all your information. I noticed they decapitalized my song, which is a requirement from their distributors. If everything's ready, click submit and then you're done. You can check details to keep up to date with what's going on with the song. Flip the switch, power on, November 4th. I also applied for the TikTok music tab a few weeks before uploading. I'll be posting updates, so like and follow for more.